name is Erik Bungum, and me and my brother, we were hunting at Grove Dolls on a Saturday afternoon, and we heard 3 turkeys gobble across the field, and there was a stream crossing it, so they had to fly over. We saw them fly over, started walking across, then called to them, then the 3 turkeys, they just kept walking along. Jake, I think it came from the opposite side that they were going from. He walked in to us, and the 3 turkeys who kept going to a hen that I was calling farther down the woods. He walked in, checked out the decoys, then once he stopped, I shot at him, and we ran after him, and we got him, and here he is.
That was good, dude. That was one take, man. You did great. You got anything else you want to say?
My name's Erik Bungum, and you're watching Backyard Pursuit TV.
Good job.
It sounds like... I don't know, it just sounds really close there. Literally, when they were all walking in, I got super tense and shaky. Then when I was just about to shoot, for some reason,
Hey guys, my name's Evan Bungum. I'm the owner of Backyard Pursuits TV. This is my little brother, future owner, Erik, and we're out here hunting in Southeastern Minnesota. As you can see, we finally had a successful hunt. We've been hunting hard for 2 weeks. I mean, I've been busy with football and with school, and haven't really had a chance to get out with Erik. So it's a blessing, and thank you God for letting us have a chance and opportunity and a beautiful night. It's May the 3rd, the day. Erik shot this bird at about 6:30. It's about 7 o'clock now, and yeah, it's pretty awesome. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check us out on our website at backyardpursuitstv.com. And you guys are watching Backyard Pursuits TV. I am one proud brother. That was an awesome hunt. It was pretty cool to actually get to experience hunting with my brother. He's always been there with me when I've shot things, and never had a chance to really shoot anything with him besides a deer, and well, we got it done. We got a turkey on the ground. It's just a little bit far, but we did it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our new website at backyardpursuit.com, and be sure to check us out on Facebook and give us a like. Thanks guys for watching Backyard Pursuits TV.